specially built
During
receivers are
potentially dangerous
automatically
weather
activated
situations,
to warn of
special
impending
weather
hazards.
receivers are automatically
This evening
activated
test
to
is
warn of
conducted on
impending
the first Wednesday of each month, between the hours of 6 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. When there is a threat of, or existing severe weather, the test is postponed until the following Wednesday evening. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability,
Why didn't you
normally
activate?
more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, may occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting locations in portions of West Kentucky,
Southeast Missouri, Southern Illinois, Southwest Indiana, and Northwest Tennessee. This concludes this Wednesday evening test of the radio's warning device.
We
We now return to our regular programming.
We now return to our regular programming.
Here are the 6 p.m. observations for the Owensboro area.
Taking a look
At Owensboro.